Me will be a kwaba eba Melodies TV so. And breaking news I'm a bremo and say court ashe special prosecutor say Cecilia Dapaah ye koni fee ekoko sizi about $590,000 any 2.3 million Ghana cedis no. Yemfa na de emma biom. Na a lot of Ghanaians were disappointed. Ghana for ebetrel margin. In fact, I read some Ghanaian consent no etremo. I mean some consent from Ghanaians. Okay, maybe we did tremo. Na nini nemu no. Special prosecutor and so ababe kasa. Aside that no, once the special prosecutor and so kase Cecilia Dapaah obosika ewo eye bank accounts mu. E babonten se sike dan the bank account mu ni na be 100 million in sense mebre. Na special prosecutor yese nanka o freeze sa accounts no. Court e katrense masa untumi freeze. Intiende Ghana funds mo kan say ye into Cecilia Dapaah ye jai no say on fasika ne nya dio opeso de ye ana adenti na court no e make ruling bisa. And obi frame ya ne ba ko na tre me say onu de ohun ne say eye boapayo eye special prosecutor na woni Cecilia Dapaah asesha won say Ghana no mama mo ati say ban the conspiracy theories there ye number 1 oba ye kan ewiase omo mo ye conspiracy theories pa Ghana ye kan hu bi. It is some people are claiming say oh adie ne kra no wo hwese ne adie ne kona special prosecutor by this time no obesheda ye say wo Ghana forfa eno mo ahyehye ho na ye Cecilia Dapaah sika ma na bi mu nso mo kan say president Akufo-Addo onim say BBC ebesi India no kaso no di onim say Cecilia Dapaah ndi boni bia ye no na special prosecutor de nsema ba betuja yen read nsema special prosecutor or de eba tuja na eno na that screen ni mo say office of the special prosecutor title no Cecilia Dapaah no long talk press release. Also, the Office of the Special Prosecutor, OSP, commenced investigations in the 3rd week of July 2023 in respect of suspected corruption and corruption-related offenses regarding large amounts of money and other valuable items involving Ms. Cecilia Dapaah, a former Minister of Sanitation and Water Resources. Also, on 31st August 2023, the High Court, Accra, refused to grant the application of the seizure and freezing orders on the grounds that the confirmation of seizure application was filed out of time, that the Office of the Special Prosecutor did not provide any basis for the seizure and freezing since it did not disclose the details of the transactions of the accounts, and further that the freezing order was based on public sentiment and without proper investigations. Now, Special Prosecutor asemo can say court ruling our debate no court no asemo a can say time a special prosecutor eba be file say yen seize ni yen freeze Cecilia Dapaah ni sika no sa time na special prosecutor be file sa de no na embre apa ho say special prosecutor be file say yen seize Cecilia Dapaah sika na yen freeze ni account no na court sanso tremu a was special prosecutor amma ingina so papa bia a wode pese ye seize Cecilia Dapaah sika no aye koko hu woni fie special prosecutor ma ejina so papa bia wansanso amma ejina so papa si yemfem freeze sika na eda ni account mu no owie ye no o say the special prosecutor eka a wo pese ye freeze Cecilia Dapaah ni sika a ewo bank no eye public sentiment the Ghana for county na special prosecutor wo yes ade no na ade na wo ye no investigation papa bia antechiri court judge no nsemu a wo ka no no the special prosecutor na etre say judge mi ngina so a wa ma Cecilia Dapaah yemfa ne sika ma no owie no say while the Office of the Special Prosecutor respects the court's decision, it disagrees with the decision of the court. Also, first, the Office of the Special Prosecutor believes that the court's computation of the time limitation is, with respect, erroneous. The Special Prosecutor say, so same way a court no akano, or no Special Prosecutor no, on the court ne nyadwen. Na first one, I want the court ne nyadwen say, court asemo a work as Special Prosecutor one file processes no e what time emre so no. O say court no anya calculation ni ye. Court ne ye calculation ye a na ko be hu ne say oh time I file ye no e sa time na on say for people who don't know processes to say o pese o seize obi sika na uko obi fie kwaji ni sika untumi nsori if special prosecutor untumi nsori mba me fie keke se sike wo me fie nti o sizi dabi embra wo ho ambra kire se wo pese wo yesa ade na e wo se a specific time bi e wo se di so ukọ court kwaji order na wo yesa anyama no ti ene na court kire se special prosecutor ade a wo ye no na ase in the time no eso. But special prosecutor so the person check court ne say the may na di time no so pepepe o judge no e na wo wan your calculations here o judge na wala ke wo mass wo mass no anye yi a eye wo say me die in the time so special prosecutor so dia work no into that's the first point with the special prosecutor. What I say the first point no we no say the Office of the Special Prosecutor searched 3 private residences associated with Mrs. Cecilia Dapaah over the course of 2 weeks. The searches and discovery were the searches and discovery were ongoing during that period. There is little doubt that the Office of the Special Prosecutor filed its application within the statutory window once the search and discovery window is considered. Nti wo ha anonso tre say court na ye calculation ye na embra wo mo search no o calculate ya hu ne say no enam kwan so ona membra kwan so ba court so say dabi because apparently no time I will search no say o pese o file ya there's a specific time I was say yes anyama ni na for those who are legal heads no they will tell you. Now, was a second, the seizure by the Office of the Special Prosecutor and the Special Prosecutor's freezing order was effectuated on the very firm basis of reasonable suspicion that the amount and bank balances were tainted property as Miss Cecilia Dapaah prevaricated as to the sources of the amounts she reported stolen from her residence, the amounts discovered by the special prosecutor in her residence, and the volume of transactions in her bank accounts and investments. In the special prosecutor person said, "Se court no sansoba no beka say based on public sentiment inti na ope say okoko seize in the bank account na uni investigation bi a wo say aseme na okay na mra say no, once you suspect the person, now we have the bank activities. Now when they say ejuma we are ye ni kwan se wonye sika bia se ya. Emra tre se wo se wokọ. Now kokoje order. Now your investigation fa ni pakone nyamemu. It is a court bana court be can ansem we are or no special prosecutor no court ni nya adwen. On the court ni nya adwen because order now work any seizure now okoko seize ye no okoko seize ye no ni na base firm basis of reasonable suspicion. Senya wako report ye ana wodi akokot say ye wi an sika puduo no. No be say we wi sika say ya. Isn't it supposed to draw the attention of authorities suspicion to come and investigate? Today in na court kasasa. Cecilia Dapaah na emu no on tre bibia wonya sika ni free ye. Was a third, the freezing order was not based on public sentiment. Rather, it was based on court processes filed in a criminal matter before the Circuit Court, Accra, involving Ms. Dapaah as the complainant. Further, the freezing order was effected to aid the investigation as required by law, not on the basis of the investigation as indicated by the courts. Therefore, it cannot be said that the Office of the Special Prosecutor did not carry out proper investigations to warrant the freezing order. Utie special prosecutor and same way I work and also to asumu pa. Or say now all courts all catch me say mami freeze Cecilia Dapaah account because me did the Ghana for Kenchi just a public sentiment. Or say that be o. Me ndi Ghana for Cecilia Dapaah na sema wodi akwa piemu wo court no. Ene na ama me yes ade we because we tumi akwa piemu wo court no aka ni sika sem ene nyama. E wo say yetumi de eje order. Ni ekoko freezing ye investigation na freezing order no based on investigation and say ye freezing ni agisika no ye freezing for some time na ye investigation ye investigation ni we ni ehu ne se ne ho etia ni e de ni sika ma no asamo a special prosecutor na e ka tre court no ati ase Inti oka se judge no eba beka say da bi freeze because what Ghana for insem mo kan ti na o pese o freeze a ene mempene ma freeze say da bi Cecilia Dapaah court case na mijina so. I say the investigation has only commenced. and it is ongoing. The Office of the Special Prosecutor assures the public that it will take all necessary legal steps to ensure that the seized amount and the balances in Ms. Dapaah's bank account and investments are neither concealed, lost, or otherwise dissipated. Special Prosecutor say, or catch a Ghana for say sikana ye seize a ewo Cecilia Dapaah ne account mu no, ye be make sure say sikana free account ni mu. Hey, Special Prosecutor, yeti ha na PPA for boss 40 million. Ewo ne account mu eno so ye see ye freeze ama order see ye freeze. Ye ni ti ye na sikana free account ni mu. Nti wo be ma Ghana for arehemu say ya court natural say hija sika no ozo obe make sure say sika in free account mu then obetumi ahe. Anyway, that is coming from the Special Prosecutor was signing Cecilia Dapaah Special Prosecutor enra and odin nsem we eba betuja etie for e de enim de Ghana for ka wa wotie me hwe wadwen e wo comment box ni mu me da ase.